everyone, back again with me Natasha. In this video, we will create the homepage of the Pancake website. Let's look at the following tutorial. First, we enter the Sublime Text application or text editor application that you often use. Then, we create the HTML file. We save the file in our folder. And don't forget to put the .html being the name. Next, we create the external CSS file. We save the file in our folder. Don't forget to put .html behind the name. And don't forget to put the image and font that we will use in the same folder as the HTML and CSS code. Here I have put the image that I will use in the ext folder. If so, we immediately type the CSS and HTML code as follows. This is the CSS code that we will use. Don't forget to save the file. Next, this is the HTML text to call the CSS code that we have created. Don't forget to save the file. Okay, I will explain the function of the CSS and HTML code that have been created. The first is the CSS session. Here we can see this is the CSS code to set the type of font that will be used on our website. Then in the CSS body section we can set the background, margin, and padding. For the next, we can see the min height is the 300 px, width is 100%, and background URL. Navigation session. Here we can set min height, width, background, font, color, text alignment. Continue with the navigation button session. Here we can make setting, background color, height, margin, width, cursor, border radius, border. Then navigation for hover type button. Here we can set background and color. Enter the content section. Here we can adjust min height, width, background, display. For set content section, here we can set weight, background, min height, display, flag. And for the set logo content, we can set margin top, margin bottom, padding left. Then the content set logo figuran, margin, margin left, text alignment. Content section for styling caption, text alignment, center, padding 3 px, font. Enter the content section of the text. Here we can set how the text we will create by setting margin top, margin bottom, padding right, width. Then content set length setting, how we will create length on your setting website. Main content section. Here we can set width, padding. Footer section. Here we can set the footer according to our wish. The last part in responsive. This is a setting so that our home website is more interactive. We enter the HTML text section. This is the text that function to call external CSS. This is HTML tag which function to create a fashion or home display icon. BG color is used to set the background color. Div class header. This is the tag used to call the CSS class header. Div class navigation. This is the HTML text to call CSS with the navigation class. Button class tombol, on click home /button, and inside we will call the button class button. Then we'll create home, contact, and menu button. Div class logo, text to call the CSS class logo. img src is used to call image and image setting. Here we'll see ext/k1.jpg is the folder and name of the image that we will insert. Here we see a folder with the name ext in which there are images that we will use. Text to call the CSS class tag. Continue this text to call the CSS class line. The next thing is the same. Go to the text section to call the main CSS content. Here we'll create a title with H1, font color, PancakeMe, H2, solusi praktis menemukan pancake yang enak. Then insert image with img src. For image setting, this is a title with H1. Then we also create an order now button, div class footer, and this is the text to call the footer season in external CSS Natasha Copyright and Copy 2023. Then at the end there is JS code which function to make the menu pack function responsive. Then we will see the home page of the pancake website that we have created. This is the appearance of the home website that we have created. There is header, content, and so on. Okay, that's all my video tutorial. I hope it's useful. Thank you. See you next video.